What's going on, you guys? So today we're going to be starting up our cars and driving them around during this pandemic. You might forget that since you're not leaving the house, your cars still need a little maintenance, such as driving it around, turning it on, getting the battery charged, and we'll check it all out right now. One of the reasons you want to turn on your car while it's sitting is so the battery doesn't die. Batteries range anywhere from like $50 to $200 depending on what kind of car you got and how big and how nice of a battery you actually buy for your car. So keeping your car battery charged during dead times, great. If you got a trickle charger, different story, you plug that in, you're good to go. If not, turn it on every once in a while, let the battery charge up through the alternator, and you turn on the motor so that way the oil kind of moves around, lubricates the gaskets and all the little seals and all that, because you don't want it to dry up and crack. By the time this whole pandemic's over, you're gonna have a bunch of oil leaks. Another thing you want to do is check your tires. You want to drive them around, or you want to drive the car around. Another reason for driving your car around is to move your tire. With the car weights just sitting in one spot, you might gain a flat spot there. And also so that we can check to see if you need an air tire, because while it sits in the cold, especially right now in California, it's kind of cold and rainy, you start losing air pressure, and if you get a flat spot, you'll need a new tire after this whole thing. So we're here in the next car. We got it warming up right now. Once it's warmed up, we're gonna go take it around the block for a few minutes. Again, same thing, getting the tires moving, getting the oil circulated, getting the battery charged up. Not only that, I also forgot to mention is that in case there's any like critters or rodents, they do like to make a nest in your exhaust or in your engine bay. They get a little chewy. They sometimes chew up your wires. Like, fortunately, I live in an area where I don't really think there's any rodents around. If you are in an area that does have rodents, like mice, or even just like animals, like I know one of my friend's cars, they had a kid sleep like under his bumper or something like that, and so they actually drove around like that and realized there's a cat down there. So this is a good time just to get your car moving, that way critters or animals don't end up turning your car into a house. This would also be a great time to clean your interior, get some garbage out since it's going to be sitting. You have no idea, bugs can come in here and like live. That's it, you guys. Thanks for watching. Just make sure to maintain your car during this time, and hope you guys are all doing well. If you're not subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button, like this video. Charlotte, don't know why she's all camera shy. Thanks for watching.